Importance of skills in 2020. Due to the lockdown, there are economic crises which will directly affect the placements and other activities. So, it's beneficial for every student to develop these skills which will help them in their career. Number 1. Project management skills. It goes without saying, but proper project management requires skills planning on the part of the manager. Project managers are essentially the team leaders. They are responsible for settling the vision for the team and ensuring everyone is on board and motivated to bring the project through each phase. But the world isn't perfect. The projects rarely come to fruition without at least one hiccup or change of plan. That's why, as a project manager, you need to be a master of risk manager as well. Number 2. Coding. Coding and coding literacy can be argued to be one of the most important skills for current and future generations to learn. Many have argued that it should form a part of the national curriculum on par with the native language, the science and math. We are surrounded with electronics devices, each running accountable numbers of softwares that run on code of some kind. It is, therefore, as important to making a living in the modern world as having a good grasp of grammar, spelling and numeracy. Number 3. Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop enables you to create website layouts and attractive graphic designs. What's more, using the same skills you can create posters, business cards, greeting cards and many others. Adobe Photoshop is essential in both image editing and graphic design, and hence the reason you need to learn it. If you are working in the marketing industry, it is crucial that you learn about this software. It comes in handy when creating websites, AdWords, newsletters, brochures and flyers. Number 4. Google Analytics. If you are working as a mobile marketing manager, you most likely know the importance of monitoring your hard work and progress. One of the best ways to do this is by analyzing the data offered through Google Analytics. If there's anyone that can appreciate the ability to get work done from their device, it's a mobile marketer. Your analytics should be just as mobile. Number 5. Facebook ads. A major benefit of Facebook advertising is its ability to reach your exact audience. Facebook is the most targeted form of advertising. You can advertise to people by age, interest, behavior and location. If you really know your customers, you can use Facebook advertising to engage them. Another major benefit of Facebook advertising is that one of the cheapest forms of advertising. You can literally spend $5 and reach 1,000 people. Number 6. Web development. Web development gives you the opportunity to express yourself creatively on the internet. If you have an idea you would like to try as you discover your web dev skills, try it out. Web dev is a fun, creative experience. Deciding a career will always be a difficult decision, especially when you're unsure of what the outcome will be after you've invested your time and money into learning a new trade. Fortunately, the high demand, easy to learn, fun to experience life of a web developer is always a great choice for someone ready to have an exciting career in code. Number 7. Copywriting. Without a copywriter, most businesses get lost in all the noise, where they mimic their competitors and they all look the same, which doesn't get them anywhere. That's the same reason why most small businesses get eaten up by big companies. Because if you're doing the same thing, then customers are always going to be the established company. This puts small business in an unfavorable position, and the copywriter's main job is to ensure that it doesn't happen. Number 8. Public speaking. Public speaking is so important that it could be the deciding factor in many things, such as your career development,
your business growth, and even in the relationships you have with your friends and family. Public speaking is a skill worth learning. Public speaking will help you increase your self-confidence dramatically. Almost every single person will need to speak in public at some point in their lives. Every public speaking opportunity is an opportunity to grow your leadership, your influence, and your career. By becoming a confident and capable public speaker, you instantly put yourself above many other people who refuse to stand up and speak. Number 9. Excel knowledge. Investment bankers and accountants aren't the only ones who rely on Excel. Scientists, teachers, business owners, graphic designers, and so many other people turn to the program for help. Regardless of what you do in the office, chances are there's some way for Excel to be helping you to do the job better. Excel may seem intimidating at first, but by just starting to use the program for basic tasks in your life, you'll get a better feel for how it works and also how it makes everything so much easier. Number 10. UX design. UX designers spend much of their time speaking to users, learning how they go about their lives and creating the best possible experience that addresses their problems. UX design goes far beyond ink and paper and into real life experiences that change the way people do everyday things. Great design will reach people in crucial areas of their life. Catching an airplane home, connecting with a relative, or capturing their child's first step. Number 11. Social media marketing. The invention of social media has radically changed the way we interact with the world, including the way we get news, make and keep friends, find out about products and services, and where we spend our money. In fact, nearly 1/3 of the entire world's population uses social media regularly. With the means is that social media yields incredible influence. It can make or break businesses overnight. If you love social media, then studying social media marketing could be the first step towards turning your obsession into an exciting new career. Number 12. App development. Learning Android app development is still a great thing to do because there's so much going on this area. It's a profit-making profession on high demand. There are many innovative ideas in the mobile application market and the growth of new technologies that will improve the mobile environment, assured as a great outcome for the investment in these types of career. So, it's not an exaggeration to they say we depend on the application developers to do many things in our daily lives today.
Please drop your questions and queries in the comment section below. For more update, you can also go and visit our Instagram page. The link is in the description box below. And for more news and update, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.